not uncommon for me to get questions about bromeliads. Bromeliads are just a little different as houseplants. They're popular houseplants, they're real pretty, but sometimes they can be a little difficult to take care of. For instance, a plant that looked like this a few months ago, a few months later might look more like this. And the question is, what happened and what can we do about it? Don't feel bad, this happens a lot. This has happened to me. It's a learning experience. It's a learning and growing experience. So what's going on? Bromeliads, when they're happy, tend to grow several pups. So there are several pieces of them at the same time. This is the oldest plant. The oldest mother plant is the one that is flowering. Now, as it starts to finish flowering, it starts to produce all these little baby plants called pups around it. So this was our mother plant, and these are the baby pups it was producing. And what's naturally going to happen is this mother plant is going to slowly die over the course of several months as the pups get bigger. So what we want to do as that happens, oh, well, I was going to demonstrate cutting it out, but that one, they will naturally just detach at the base, and you can pull them right out. You throw that part away. It's not going to do anything else. It's done for. Then you've got these three little baby pups that ideally would be growing like this and grow up to replace the mother plant. This one, I believe, stayed a little too dry for too long. So what we're going to do is water it. And when you're watering bromeliads, they want water into the center. They form those little cups. So you want water to go into the center of the cups. This is how they naturally grow in the wild. But you do want to water the soil under them as well. I think that's often where people get a bit confused. You do need to keep water in the cups at all times. It's okay to let the soil dry out now and then, but you don't want it to turn into a desert-like environment. Bromeliads are from the tropical rainforest where they get a lot of water. I believe this is so this is in a nursery pot, so I'm going to let it drain out. This one does not have drainage holes, so I'm going to throw it out. So when you water it, you would let it drain, and then you'll set it back in this pot. And I imagine within a few days, this is going to start perking right up and having much greener leaves, be ready to just start growing again.